Hello, welcome to Newspoint on Memories TV. My name is Ofonisa Basibasi. In today's society, science and technology has formed part of the bedrock of a nation's development. Therefore, churches, organizations, families, and even governments have paid huge attention and support to scientific inventions. In Akwa Ibom State, there is a young man or a young inventor who is not sleeping but dreaming big. And he is here with me in the studio today to tell us more about himself and his inventions. Please don't go away. We'll be back after this short break.
Memories TV Show, your social diary with loads of colorful events for your delight. We bring you step-by-step account of ceremonies, gigs, and social functions in and out of season. Memories TV Show, educating, entertaining, and mind-blowing. You can't afford to miss it. Also, watch on demand 247 at www.memoriestv.com.ng. For advert placement or participation, call 080-3307-9639 or 080-6342-1183.
Well, you're welcome to Newspoint, Hope Frank.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you today?
Fine, ma'am.
You look good.
Thank you.
All right, now let's get to meet you. Tell us about yourself.
My name is Hope Emmanuel Frank from Akwa Ibom State, schooling in Topfaith and sponsored by Mantrak Nigeria.
Sponsored by Mantrak Nigeria. What's the full meaning of Mantrak?
Okay, Mantrak, they are official dealers of Caterpillar.
Official dealers of Caterpillar here now. How old are you, Hope?
I am 16 years old right now.
16 years old. What's your educational qualification?
I am presently at SS1.
You're in SS1. That's beautiful. Tell us about your invention.
Okay. My invention, I started this when I was at 5 years old. But I was into machine when I was around 10 years old. And since then, I have done up to more than 30 something machines. But it's only like 4 of my machine that is more popular. Like my first machine, which was an excavator and a dumper. And my new model, this 2021.
Okay, the 2021 model, what do you call it?
I called it an X-dumper.
X-dumper. Tell us about your 2021 model machine.
Okay, my 2021 new model machine called an X-dumper. It's a machine that has not existed before because I created it myself and I invented it myself, but with the combination of excavator and dumper. So I adapted the idea of crane in solving the problem of labor working dumpers. It's a dumper, but the difference is that it works independently.
Okay, what inspired you?
Okay, first for the machine, the example, what inspired me to make the machine is that the machine itself, I have problem. I find it difficult in carrying 2 machines in site to exhibit, maybe on the road or exhibiting ground. But in this process, I know that is the same problem that people has in taking 2 machines or paying people to pack sand into the dumper. So I thought about this, how to solve this problem, and that was what inspired me in going to this.
Okay, you said you've invented about 30
something machines.
30 something machines. Where do you learn to build these machines, put them together?
Okay, well, I don't learn it. It's something, let me say, I call it a talent, but I do some field research online in search of knowledge, and I ask some people around me that are into, let me say, my field.
Okay, so you don't
no.
You've not learned this before?
Yeah.
You've not gone to school? You've not been taught any technical work?
No. Technically, I started by doing house model, so I should be doing architecture, but no, we have so many architects, so I thought about something different. So what can you do that could be different? So that was what made me to start doing machines.
Okay. Do you do this all by yourself? Do you have any help? Do you have any co-inventor?
Okay, I have a co-inventor friend. His name is Harold Linus Bassi. He assisted me in searching for the material. He even assisted me in terms of giving me some ideas in design and other things.
Okay, so how does your X-dumper work? How does this machine work?
It works like a normal dumper, but the only difference with this example and a dumper is that it has a mechanism that helps the dumper to pack sand to the tipper in replacing the human labor or another machine like excavator to the sink, so that it can take to a working site or to a proper disposal.
What materials do you use in building these machines?
Okay, there are a lot of materials, like for example, the body of the machine is made of wood, and I fill the inside with aluminum, and there are some parts made of shoe leather, for example the tires, and the light bulb, the LED bulb are made of, I got that from touches and the rest.
That's beautiful. Do you have any sponsor?
Yes, technically I have sponsored academically. And that is Mantrack.
Mantra. That's okay. What about financial?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Now, on a later mode, if you were to sell your machine, how much will that cost?
No, the machine can't be sold because I cannot sell the machine no matter. Me selling that machine is just like selling my ideas and my talent, so I can't sell it.
Okay. So tell us, what do you need the people, the society, or even the government to do for you?
I just need a financial support in my project. Like for example, my next project will be a real car. So if they start manufacturing car in Nigeria, it will be a very great and better advantage for us.
All right, that was beautiful. And we're talking about science and technology here.
Yes.
Now, are you impressed with the rate of innovations students
with the level
have?
Of technology
Yes, the level of
state?
technology in secondary schools in Akwa Ibom State.
No, not at all.
You're not impressed?
Yes.
What do you think should be done?
I only think because, firstly, I might think that that's a major reason why our currency dropped, technology. Because in terms of, let me say, even the farming we are doing, we are still using technology in outside countries. Here in Nigeria, we are very poor in technologies. Okay, if in terms of our currency, if we had something to export more than import, our currency could have not been dropped. That's why it looks as if we are really, really dependent on other countries. So that's why our technology dropped, and we are very poor in technology. And maybe, let me say, if our government support us, we have talents, just to discover it and upgrade it. If you send someone out to come back here, and we may be doing things.
Okay, so what advice would you have for students your own age that are not doing things like this? Students that are lazy.
My advice to them would be that everybody has a talent. Everybody was born with something. You just have to discover it, and you make use of it, and be very, very hardworking. Success does not come easily. It comes with a price. So you have to be hardworking.
All right. So just before we leave, how many people have you tutored?
Like in terms of training?
Yes. Have you trained anyone?
Yeah, I'm training people. I've trained, technically I've trained 5.
5.
Succeeded, like 5 knows it very well, and I've trained up to 15, but 5 are the people I can really count on.
Okay. What do you hope to be in future?
I want to be a great inventor. Already I am, but I don't see myself like one yet, because I'm really hoping on this machine coming to real life for me to count that I am one.
That's beautiful. Hope Frank, who do you owe all these things you've done to?
Actually, right now I only have 2 important people in my life, which is my mom and my co-inventor friend, Harold Linus Basim.
And what do you wish to say to them?
I wish to say to them thank you, that I'm very grateful for them, their support, their advice, and the little finance support they can offer to me. Thank you. And Mantra.
And Mantra.
For paying my school fees. I'm really grateful. Thank you.
Thank you so much for staying with us today on this program. For more updates on Newspoint, please log on to www.memoristv.com.ng. You can also like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name remains Ofonisa Basibasi, and from me is bye-bye.